Hello people. Samsung Semiconductor Company today presented a special type of RAM, which, according to the company, is ideal for a mobile artificial intelligence and game applications. It is called LLW-DRAM, which means low latency wide I/O. Initially, Samsung announced the development of LLW-DRAM back in January this year at Tech Day. The company also briefly talked about LLW in October at Memory Tech Day, where it presented the solution of HBM3E Shinebolt and LPDDR5X Chem2. Today, through the video, Samsung reminded everyone about its LLW chip. The company published a 44-second teaser on Twitter demonstrating LLW-DRAM. Judging by this video, the LLW chip is located next to the processor on the chip, which makes sense given the stated low latency. But what is interesting, the video suggests that LLW chips will work together with the processor and will not completely replace the traditional RAM. It is not clear when exactly LLW will be used by Samsung chipsets, but it is possible that the Galaxy S24 series will become the first smartphone using this technology. Samsung is already preparing new AI features for the next flagship, including AI Live Translate Call, which, as confirmed by the company, will appear at the beginning of next year. It is assumed that Samsung will present the S24 as a smartphone with artificial intelligence or the first AI phone. Given all the circumstances, it is possible that the Galaxy S24 will also be used as a starting platform for LLW-DRAM. Some rumors claim that Samsung will also upgrade RAM on its flagship devices, but a new rumor refutes these claims. According to Ice Universe, the basic Galaxy S24 will be equipped with only 8 GB of RAM, without the ability to upgrade RAM with more expensive options. However, the Galaxy S24 Plus will have an option with 12 GB of RAM, but its entry-level version will still use 8 GB of RAM. Moreover, there are rumors that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will still be equipped with 8 GB of RAM in the entry-level model and 12 GB of RAM in the model with higher specifications. So if this information is true, then for Samsung it does not look very good. Powered by technology.This. Memory. And this situation looks especially bad compared to all other competing smartphones from competing Android brands, which offer 16 GB of RAM or even up to 24 GB on some models. But let's see, maybe this chip LLW, which we talked about at the beginning, will compensate for the difference and give the same boost necessary for sharp operations of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. See you very soon in the next video, powered by technology.This.